How to delete your Gmail account. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to How to Solution, and today in this video I will going to show you how you can delete your Gmail account on your phone. So simply in the first step, go into the settings. Once you go into the settings, if you scroll down and if you keep scrolling down, you came across a section where it says Google. Go into Google, and now from here on you can select the account that you want to delete. You can select any of the account. After that, tap on manage your Google account. Once you tap here, after that tap on data and privacy. Now under the data and privacy section, scroll down and keep scrolling down. From here on you came across a section with that says delete your Google account. Tap here. Once you tap here, from here on tap your account password. After that click on next, and after that Google will give you the verification code on your phone. Type the verification code and tap on next, and that's how you delete your Gmail account. So that is it in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you have any question you can ask me right in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. I'll catch you up guys in the next video. Until then, have a good one. Bye.